Hello, all, and welcome to the Agri EPI Presentation. This is Philip here from O'Donovan Engineering in Ireland. I'd like to extend a special welcome to the delegation from Latin America and the Caribbean. I'd also like to thank Les for asking us to speak and extend our apologies for not being able to be there today. It's show season and our team is fully booked up. So I'm just going to run through a little bit about O'Donovan Engineering, the business, and what we do. If you have any questions, our brochure should be around the reception area. Our Cowpow moving feed bar is actually displayed at the back of the building. It's a good example of the kind of products we do. It's a patented product manufactured here in Ireland and exported all over the world. Our details are on both, so if you're looking for details, they're on either or. O'Donovan Engineering. So I'm just going to run through a little bit about the company. It's a family-owned business located in Culture, County Cork in Ireland. We specialise in the design and manufacture of quality, innovative livestock housing and handling solutions. Our mission is to bring customers a well-made product designed for the environment it's used in with the best lifetime value possible. That's a little bit about the company. We were founded in 1978 by Damien and Marion O'Donovan on the O'Donovan family farm. It all started with Damien's creative problem solving on his own farm. Local farmers soon saw his solutions, asked him to remake it, and this sparked the idea for O'Donovan Engineering. Damien and Marion was nearly the perfect marriage because Marion had worked in AIB Bank and she stepped away from the bank and took over the financial side of the business. The business has grown from strength to strength since then, growing from a small local business to a leading agri manufacturer in Ireland. We're both trading nationally and internationally, supplying family farms all over the world. We've over 60 staff now employed between sales, engineering, manufacture, and administration. So the team is growing ever more. Like any other business, there's been ups and downs. We've gone through 2 recessions. We've seen the large expansion of the dairy herd in Ireland. We've expanded our operation into Northern Ireland, and now we're focused on expanding our foothold in the UK. With the help of the Agri EPI Presentation, Telford Local Council and Enterprise Ireland, this has been pretty seamless. Big thanks to Les in the Agri EPI Presentation for helping us get established there. Liz from the local Telford Council has taken us around, shown us different property opportunities in the future if we want to expand. And has been very helpful. And then the ultimate rock from Enterprise Ireland, Jane, has been magnificent. Anything we need, contacts, whatever, Jane has been brilliant, a massive help to us. So I'm just going to play a short video about O'Donovan Engineering and our products, so you can see some of them in situ. And I'll just pass you on to the video now. Thank you. Welcome to O'Donovan Engineering, a family-owned, professionally run company nested in the heart of Coachford, County Cork. We specialise in the design and manufacture of quality, innovative livestock housing and handling equipment. Our motto is, quality and innovation gives us the edge, and this is the standard we hold ourselves to. As an integral part of the agri landscape in rural Ireland, community lies at the core of our business. We are proud supporters of the family farm and the wider agri community. We have over 45 years experience in the agri sector, and we are confident we have the solution to make your farm work for you. We are proud in the fact we manufacture our products in Ireland, and to ensure we can match customers' needs, we also source the best products globally, be it Prattley sheep handling, True Test weighing and EID, Uber cow mat, or IE handling, to name a few. Our mission is to bring our customers a well-made product designed for the environment it is to be used in with the best lifetime value possible. Our products and solutions stand the test of time.